Hello and welcome to EdQuest. This is our daily quiz on SEBI Grade A previous year questions. Following this quiz, you will learn what type of questions can be asked in this year's, that is SEBI Grade A 2020 exam. This is part 3 of the series. I hope you must have gone through earlier two parts. If you have not gone through earlier two parts, kindly go through those two parts because these questions are really important. So they will make you understand what kind of questions can be asked and how to prepare for SEBI Grade A 2020 exam. So let us move to question number 1. So question number 1 is equity shares which are given at a discount to directors and employees is. So is it bonus share, rights issue, offer for sale, sweat equity, or none of this? So answer to this is sweat equity. So sweat equity is something which is given to directors and employees at a discount. So at a discount is really very important because section 53 of Companies Act 2013 prohibits issuing shares at a discount, but as per section 54, for section 54 where you can issue equity shares, that is sweat equity. So this can be issued at a discount, and here section 53 is not applicable in case of sweat equity. So this was question 1. Also understand that this question can be asked from the perspective of Companies Act and also as a concept in finance. So prepare it from the both aspects. So you understand what sweat equity is and you also understand what section in Companies Act deals with sweat equity. So let us move to next question. Next question is the maximum amount that a retail individual investor can invest in an IPO is rupees. So the maximum amount a retail individual investor can invest in an IPO is 2 lakh rupees. So this is for his protection so that he does not end up putting a lot of money. And also we often learn about the volatility in the market, and markets are subject to market risk. These all shares are subject to market risk. That is why there is a maximum limit. So I would expect you to comment in the comment box what is the minimum limit. So let us move to next question. So next question is government securities of Government of India are managed by. So in today's quiz actually there are two questions which are really very easy, but both of these questions we have asked in 2018 SEBI Grade A exam. So do not think that this exam is really tough or there are always difficult questions are asked. So there are often very easy questions are asked. So answer to this question, if even if you have very basic reading of economics or even finance, that is Reserve Bank of India. So I don't think there is like much space of explanation. The only line which can explain is we consider RBI as a debt manager of the government. So with this line, this question is easy. Now next question, another really very easy question, and the question answers itself. Rather, if you look into option, you do not even need to understand what this yield is, what this bond is. Even a layman connects this maturity with this maturity, he will be able to answer. So the total return anticipated on a bond if the bond is held until its maturity is, so that is yield to maturity. But though this question looks simple, I would like to tell you one important fact. The important fact is the word anticipated. Whenever we are considering yield to maturity, it is only about the anticipated yield. It is not about actual yield. So after having if this is the maturity date, and on this day and date, if bond matures at that point of time, whatever yield you will have, you will not call it a yield to maturity. maybe in between somewhere, if you expect to hold this bond to the maturity period, then at this point of time, whatever yield you are expecting, whatever return you are expecting, that will be yield to maturity. That is the anticipated return, not the actual return. See next question. Sorry, I got answer first and question later. So sorry. So the question is, which of the following was a committee on insider trading? So a lot of people got confused here between TK Vishwanathan committee and Sodhi committee. So also I did not like, this is the question I have taken from previous years, and options I had to put on myself because there were no options available. So I ensured that I put all the options which are currently in news or can be asked in exam, and through the question I would be able to explain which committee relates to what, and that is why I put all the current options. And because of that, there has been a slight confusion between TK Vishwanathan committee and Sodhi committee. So options were HR Khan committee, Uday Kotak committee, TK Vishwanathan committee, Sodhi committee, and Mohandas Pai committee. So answer to this is Sodhi committee. So HR Khan committee was regarding FPI regulations. Then there is Uday Kotak committee. So this Uday Kotak committee is really important because it is about corporate governance. So you will also learn this committee if you prepare for corporate governance part of RBI Grade B exam. Then the latest one in the row is TK Vishwanathan committee, where there was conflict, or a lot of candidates reported this particular part, that there should be answer should be C and D. But when it comes to TK Vishwanathan committee, the title of committee is Committee on Fair Market Conduct. So though this deals with insider trading, this deals with insider trading, but it also deals with another aspects of trading to ensure that there is a fair market conduct. So aspects which this TK Vishwanathan committee looked into included, I guess, algorithm trading and all such aspects. So that is about TK Vishwanathan committee. Whereas Sodhi committee was purely for review of insider trading rules or regulations. So this was the difference. I hope you remember all these committees, and all these committees are important. So there is another important committee, that is Mohandas Pai committee. So this is panel on fintech. So that was about this question. So this is HR Khan committee, that is on FPI regulations. Uday Kotak committee on corporate governance, TK Vishwanathan committee on fair market conduct, and Mohandas Pai committee on fintech panel. So this was about today's quiz. I hope you enjoyed it. So kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep meeting like this again. Thank you.